Hello everybody, burping video time, burping video time. Ready? Can't see my face, huh? Hello. Do fix it. I know. I understand. It's hard to see my face. Oh, hold on. Here's something. Never mind. I hear nothing. To my old friend out there on YouTube. I missed you. I can't say it. Let's take a little break. Hello. For many people who do not know, there's a kid out there who likes me burping his name. His name is Burping. Sounds like an Italian name. Don't know. Oh well. That was a good one. I'll give myself a 5 out of 10 for that one. Just because it's lacking the strength. It sounded so good, but it needed to be louder and longer. And why do I sound like a Romanian? Oh my God! I'm possessed by Dracula's spirit. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry, but that was probably quite disturbing for you guys. So, in the comments below at the end of this video, once you've watched it, I want you to leave a comment saying which burp was your favorite and what time of the video the burp was. Okay. So, I'm gonna chug this in this video. I want you to count and leave in the comments how long it takes me. Not yet. To drink this. Apparently, drinking soda makes you burp. So I'm gonna test my limit by using root beer. I'm gonna get drunk on root beer, guys, so be prepared. Oh, that's cold. It burns. That when it goes down my throat. Never smelled root beer. I wonder what it smells like. Just kidding. I feel a little dizzy. This is what it feels like when you get drunk. I'm missing the point of this video. So the point of this video is to burp. Guide the soda down my chest, deep into my belly. Drop the dummy. Give the bat. Pat your chest. Chest out. No, not chest out. Never mind, that hurts. Karate stance. It's like whoa, only instead of whoa, it's oh, that stinks like root beer. My condolences. I would like to say a few very kind words. Ah, that hurts. Gently. Oh, God. It smells like. Trust me, you don't want to know what I just did. Okay, let's have a mental challenge here. Which one of my fingers am I flicking up behind my hand? What'd you guess? If you guessed middle finger, put it in the comments below, because I have my index finger up. Okay. More burps. The amazing power of burps is 1,000,000 times stronger than the power of a fart. Let's put that to test. Boom! Okay. Oh, God damn it. Oh, my leg. My motherfucking leg. Oh, that hurts like a mother. Ah, God damn it. Oh, that hurts like a mother. Oh, I'm getting my arm blood. No. Ah! My back! My motherfucking back! Oh, it hurts like a motherfucker! Oh, fuck! Ah! Oh, God! God damn it. Why is everything red? I wonder what would happen if I'd fallen and burped at the same time. I think I'm going to vomit. I think we're done for this episode. This was burping part. I don't give a damn.